second song, right? Yes, okay, perfect. While you're still up here, I'd like to do another Q&A. I'd like to call one named Isaac. Yes, thank you. My name is Ratu Matimeke. Namini Sausabu. 19 years old. And you want to introduce yourself?
I'm Isaac. I'm Luca from Sacramento. I'm a voice in the white.
I hope not to disturb or take away too much time from you guys. I only have 3 questions for this young gentleman, Isaac. First question is, Isaac, have you ever doubted your faith? And if you did, how did you overcome it?
I think there's been many times in my life where I've doubted my faith. Especially when I'm going through trials, it's kind of hard to, turn to the Lord. But as I've grown older, I've seen His hand, and it's helped me realize that everything happens for a reason. There isn't just like if something happens, it's not just for that didn't happen for just like a coincidence. I believe that he has his hand is in everything we do, and that has really helped me rebuild my faith towards him.
Second question is, have you ever faced peer pressure because of your faith?
Yeah, I think there's been many times I've been peer pressure, especially at school. In this world, there'll be a lot of temptations, a lot of things of the world that can steer you away from what's really important, which is the Lord. There's been times where I've been questioned why I don't drink, why I don't smoke, and I kind of just respond because I've seen the blessings of me not doing those things. I've seen Him bless me for not doing those stuff, and how it's helped me as a person too as well.
Last but not least, being in this church youth group, how has being part of a church youth group impacted you personally?
I think being in a youth group has really shaped my life. I know in this world we all go through mental things, especially at a young age, or even when you're older, you always go through mental things. And I think having the foundation or people around you that you can rely on, such as the youth group we have, and just me surrounding myself around this youth, they've really helped me. They've shaped me to be the person I am today. Their energy, their leading by example has really helped me stay on the clear path to return back to Him.